Hey guys, it's Jen from beautyriotx. Sorry, I didn't mean to yell. Ignore my eyes, I know they don't match. I was just doing a video and my BoxyCharm just showed up, so let's do our battle of boxes. So this is for the month of August. I have no idea what's in here. All the information for this box will be listed in the box below. So let's just get into it. Oh, and everyone always wants to know the weight. The weight for this box is, I don't see the weight anywhere. If I can find the weight anywhere, I'll list it on the screen, but right now I don't see anything. But it says lightweight. So the theme for this month is totally, and it looks like we have 5 products in here. Oh my gosh, yes, I'm so excited. I was just about to order this and every time I go to order it, I'm like, it's kind of expensive. Oh, I hear amazing things about this and the sound of it just sounds amazing. So this is the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. Translucent and luminous peach extract and peptide complex. Only good, clean fun. No synthetic fragrance, sulfates, formaldehyde, phthalates, synthetic dyes, parabens, mineral oil, silicones, and a bunch of other crap. It's also free of any animal testing. Pat onto clean, dry skin, can be used AM or PM. And actually, I'm just gonna read off here what you do with this. So, it retails for $39. Let's take it out and look at it. I thought it was open. I'm like, oh no. Okay, it comes with like a little pump. There is 1.35 ounces, fluid ounces in here. And it says, silky, weightless, instantly absorbing, this serum helps hydrate, calm, brighten, and firm, delivering more dramatic results and with continued use. Expertly blended with potent earthborn and high-tech beautifying ingredients, you'll uncover skin that is poreless, translucent, and luminous like a pane of glass. That sounds amazing. And this is a K-beauty brand. I'm so excited about this. So excited. Oh man. Ipsy, you already got your work cut out for you. All right. This is from Wander Beauty. This is the Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil. Another fun skincare product. This contains black currant seed oil and niacinamide. Bring out skin's inner radiance with our illuminating oil. Light diffusing optics deliver instant luminosity, while potent blend of our, why did I say it like that? Potent? Potent blend of our signature beauty oils and antioxidants help brighten, moisturize, and improve the appearance of skin over time. Gently squeeze tube to release 2 to 3 drops of Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. Massage into skin until fully absorbed. This retails for $42. Whoa. Oh. I've heard mixed reviews about this one actually. This is the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. Is this the powder that feels wet? I might have to open this and try it right. I mean, like just like on my hand. Keep me closed to keep me cool. Oh, I can already feel it, like some powder just like flush up on me and it feels like cold and wet. Oh, okay. All right, so we're just gonna take a dab of this. Okay, all right, it's nothing groundbreaking. At first I was like, oh, it feels cold. It just kind of feels like powder. Okay, I'm excited, I've never tried this. All right, so this Becca Hydra Mist and Refresh Powder is a weightless powder that sets makeup for a silky, smooth, invisible finish. Formulated with 50% water and glycerin, this powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel. This retails for $39. Impressive. I don't need to put it back in the box, really. And there's 3 more products in here. The next is a liner by Steve Laurent, and this is it's a lip liner. It retails for $15. Looks like it's in like a maroon shade. I don't know if I want to open this, so I'm going to save this until I open my Ipsy to see if it's something I will use right away, because this is definitely not something I want to use. It's not something that I ever use. Like, I'm not a big liner person unless it's for my eyes. So I might just end up putting this in a giveaway. So I'm just going to put this to the side. But I am super excited for the next 2 products. They totally look like ColourPop products, but they're not. They're from Ace Beauty. I want to say Butte because there's no Y, but I'm pretty sure it's Ace Beauty. These are the Glimmer Shadows, but I mean, I'm pretty sure they're like Super Shock Shadows because, I mean, they have to be. They are. They are. So we have the shade French Vanilla. They're Glimmer Shadows, and I think they retail for, they say $25, but I don't think they're $25 a piece. Okay, so they're in Huckleberry, which is the pink, and French Vanilla, which is the silver. Okay, they're all right. I think I like this one the most. This one's okay. Honestly, they're not really shades that I would ever really wear, but I mean, they're good to have for my Get Ready With Me featuring stuff out of my boxes video. So, okay. I have a bunch of fun things that I can use. Besides the liner, I pretty much love everything. I mean, honestly, the thing I'm most excited for is the friggin' glass skin, because that's just amazing. Okay, so without further ado, let's go on to Ipsy and see what other exciting products we have this month. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm totally using this today, and I will update you because I'm so excited. So excited. All right, here we have our Ipsy for August. And let's just get right into it. Theme for this month is Bury Yourself. And the first thing I see is the Hey Honey Take It Off Exfoliating Honey Peel Off Mask. This is for a smooth and clear complexion. This retails for $38. Prep skin with a light moisturizer, apply a thin layer. Wait, so you prep your skin with a moisturizer and then you put this on? And then let dry and then peel off. I'm not a huge fan of peel off masks, so I'm probably not going to use this. So yeah, I'm probably gonna pass this on, but I mean, that's cool if you like peel off masks. I actually just gave this exact thing away. This is the In the Balm of Your Hand Volume 2. Actually, do I still have this? No, I think I actually gave this away. Actually, I think I sold this like on my Poshmark. I think I used it like twice. It's really cool, but I never reached for it. Let me see if it's, yeah, it's not sealed. I can open it. It's really pretty though. Maybe I'll just keep it, whatever. I meant to have it, obviously. All right, so it comes with a bunch of shadows, the Mary Luminizer highlighter, and some blushes and a bronzer. So I mean, it's a really cool palette. I just never reached for it. And there's 2 volumes. There's 1 and 2, which is what we got 2. And this retails for $32. So I guess maybe I'll save this for my Get Ready With Me featuring these products. All right, the next is from Pure Lease, and we get a ton of stuff from Pure Lease. This is the Blue Lotus Essential Daily Moisturizer with SPF 30. It retails for $45. It's a hydrating moisturizer with SPF 30. That's what it is. Put on at least 30 minutes before sun exposure. Cool. It's summer. I could always use some more SPF. Hopefully it won't break me out. I will let you know if it does. We have Farah brushes. Farah? These are the Farah brushes Show Me Magic Eye Brush Set. This retails for $50. I don't really know about that. These, I do have a few Farah brushes that we've gotten in beauty boxes before. I don't know if I always get them in this, but we get them usually in either Ipsy or BoxyCharm. And I do actually use them. I have given a few away though. I don't know if these would retail for $50 though. That's a little, that's reaching. They're 100% vegan and cruelty free. But you know what? I think I'm actually gonna save these for a giveaway because I have at least 3 of these kind of styles of brushes, and I already can tell the 2 smaller ones I'll never actually use. And the last thing in here, I'm kind of impressed with. This is, I'm kind of impressed with. This is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation Full Coverage Moisturizer. I've never actually tried any foundation from IT Cosmetics. I've tried their under eye, Bye Bye Under Eye from, I think I got like a sample in Ipsy before. I got it in the shade Light. So let's see if this actually matches me. I mean, I would imagine it would. Yeah, looks like it might match me. Yeah, this will definitely match me. Okay, that's kind of cool. I can use this in the Get Ready With Me. And let's see, what are the claims for this? This retails for $39.50. Developed with dermatologists, this foundation helps you put your best face forward. 3D Flex technology, this lightweight formula covers imperfections while giving you an even, natural looking finish. Plus it's infused with SPF 50. 1 to 2 pumps onto clean skin, blending outward from the center of your face. It's super moisturizing and can be used on top of skincare products. But it's a full coverage moisturizing, like a moisturizer foundation. I'm intrigued. I guess we're gonna find out how good it is. So stay tuned for one of my next videos. It'll be either the next video or 2 videos from now where I try on like most of the things that I've gotten in my Ipsy and my BoxyCharm. So let's see who wins. I'm gonna give it to BoxyCharm. Congratulations, BoxyCharm, you did it. World's best cup of coffee. I'm so excited about the Peach and Lily, the Wander Beauty Illuminating Oil, the Hydra Mist Refresher Powder. I mean, honestly, the glass skin alone is a reason enough for me to be like, you win. BoxyCharm, you fucking win. I am excited about the foundation. Ipsy was okay, it wasn't necessarily bad, but I mean, I'm not like over the moon about it. This is very cool. I just have already had it before and I just never reached for it. But I mean, If you have never tried any of these products, then you'd probably be very impressed with them. So that was it. What did you guys think of your boxes? Did you guys get anything different? Let me know in the comments below. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.